Yo, what's up guys? Dahil day off ko ngayon, pupunta tayo ng Rusi. Oh, sige. At syempre, pupunta muna tayo ng Monte Carlo Tansa at magpapalagay tayo ng decals ng ating motor. So, pamangkin ko oh. Okay, takpan ng camera. Takip ang camera. So ngayon guys, pupunta tayo ng Monte Carlo stickers. So, palagyan ko ng sticker yung motor ko. Lalakad na tayo. Okay. Yo! So, palabas na ako para kunin yung motor ko. Kakalinis lang nun, hindi ko na na-video yung paglinis ko eh.
No one cares!
So, makikita nyo na lang. Balik ako. Ayun, naghihintay sa akin yung motor ko. Kakalinis lang yan, kaya tutuloy na tayo.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone. It's so cold outside, it's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.
So yun guys, tinatanggal yung trellis niya para linisin yung karburador kasi nag-overflow yung karburador eh, di ko alam kung bakit. Mahirap ba dukutin? Kahit nandyan yung tangke? So kung mapapansin nyo guys, no, ayan no, ang dumi-dumi nung ano ko, nung makina. Dahil sa walang ano eh, salo niya lahat ng putik pag kumatakbo siya. Saka kung mag-mojo kayo, asahan nyo na maraming tatanggalin bago nyo tanggalin ang nasa loob niya.
Oh yun, umulan.
So, yun lang guys. Oh. Umulan pa. Oh. Talo. Oh no! Malas na naman.
Ayan o, kulit ako.
NANI?!
You win!
That's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene.
Ay, ito. Yung parang buhangin. Sa gasolina to?
So yun, okay na siya. Okay na ulit yung takbo ng revolusyon. Malinis na yung karburador. So yun mga kaibigan, ikakabit na lang yung trellis niya para may uwi na siya sa bahay.
What are you doing?
Kabit ka na ulit.
You what?
Tama, pag ganun nga. Dito yan, oh.
Do you know the way?
Yun yung gustong-gusto kong motor, oh. Gusto kong testingin talaga yan.
Ang ganda na, no? Oh my God.
I love you.
Baka makahuli tayo. Kung tumingin ka. Ayaw. Sa isang sulyap mo ay nabihag ako.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me.
Dito na tayo sa sa tindahan. So mga gustong bumili sa tindahan namin, ayan oh. Okay. Ito ang aking motor oh. Pogi. Oh. Balik ako. So guys, ito yung pinalit ko sa kanya, yung pangalan. Dati nakalagay dyan is Rusi. Ngayon, Mojo 200. Ayan, sticker decal yan. Pinalagyan ko rin yung tangke ko.
Do you know the way?
Tapos yung side, isang straight dyan. Tapos yung ilaw sa headlight. Ayan, tapos yung tapalod din. Sa mga gustong magpalagay ng decals like ng sa akin, pumunta lang kayo dito sa Tansa, Cavite, sa Monte Carlo Auto Decals. So shout out Monte Carlo Auto Decals, thank you sa paglalagay ng aking decals.
Thank you, my friend.
Okay. Oh, ayun si Pogi oh. May kapitbahay kami dito eh. Mag-NMAX yata eh. Sabi niya sa tropa eh. Sabi niya dito. Mag-NMAX. Okay lang, ayaw mo siya mag-NMAX.
Pinaringgan ako para. Ikot nga ako. Para Vicen, sama mo.
Oh. Sino yan pre? May NMAX, kapitbahay. Bibili ng NMAX. What the fuck?
Siya na mayaman dito sa Tabo. Talalo si Calabio. Ayan siya.
Tinalo pa to oh. To Camillo, siya NMAX. Ako nga, Rusi lang eh. Siya NMAX. Ayo. What the fuck? So yun, okay na. Nakita nyo na yung output. Part 1 pa lang yun. Papalagyan ko pa ng maraming decals yan para magmukhang sports look. So paalam muna sa ngayon mga kaibigan.